Okay, Starbucks, we're leaving now. First Avenue South, Seattle. We're going to Link train towards the hotel. These are the buildings downtown Seattle, Washington. Overview of downtown Seattle from here. These are the cargo train railings. Yeah, downtown. Train is coming out. See the honk. On this side you're gonna see the recycling center. There's a fire truck there. Seattle fire truck. That's downtown area, Seattle. This is Seattle Public Schools. News 97.7 FM M1000 Lander Street Vintage. Go. See here. Yan is some port. I think there's a game today. Seattle Police. Hello everyone, good day. Hello. Seattle Police and Seattle Fire, number 13. Seattle Police. City, Seattle Fire Department. Seattle Police there. Shell gas station here. What's your step? United States Postal Service employee parking facility here. The police there, first aider. Oh, I like that one. Small pub. Okay, we're now in Port Avenue South. Gas price for the day, Saturday, September 27, $4.69 US per gallon for the regular. Diesel same price, 4.69.10. Shell gas station. Okay, viewers, Kuya Romel Toronto, thank you for watching. Lander South and Port Avenue South. We're waiting for the pedestrian light. No, the next one. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.